Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how do you add someone on Snapchat without it saying added by search. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna open up my Snapchat, and now if I press this add friend button, I get the search bar where I could search for anyone. For example, let's search for Alice. Now we have a bunch of results here, right? I could press add to if I press add right next to any one of them, it would send out a notification that I added them through uh, through search. But I do not want that. I want them to see that I added them by their username. And if I want them to see that I added them by username, I could simply, now there's two ways actually. Let's suppose we were talking about Hazel Alice. Okay, now I could press on this profile and then add friend, and it would say that I added them as username. Or I could just memorize the username. This is the most foolproof. Like for example, if that one does not work, this is the safest way, that you just note down their username, right? And then you go back and you just search for the respected user. Hazel Alice, sorry. You see now, if I press add here, if I press this add button, or if I go here and then press add, it would definitely send out that I added them through the username. And if you just were supposed to add someone from here and you pressed add, that would send out a notification that you added them through suggested friends or something like that. So if you want to add someone from here and you don't want them to know, you can always also just memorize their username and then type in that username up here, and then you can just it would give them the notification that you added them by username. So that is that. Or if you really want to add someone and you just know them and they will be cool to give you the username, you could always ask for their snap code, and you have the snap code search button on the top right. You could search the snap code. So that is all to it. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.